This is the White Noise Machine by ICETEK. Has 16 different sounds to help you sleep at night. 6 of them are nature sounds. We have crickets, birds, waves for an ocean, thunderstorm, water in a stream, water in a channel. It also has 6 white noise sounds. So this is white noise. A bit more muted is pink noise. And again, a bit more muted from that is brown noise. Has a fan. Sounds more like a jet engine on a runway to me, but this is supposed to be a heartbeat. Sounds like somebody pounding sheet metal, perhaps, but. And finally, clothes dryer. There are also 4 lullaby sounds, or songs. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Hush, little baby. Rockabye baby. And finally, Moon Night Song. The volume controls turn it up or down, and the start, play, stop button will turn that off. This is dim light, bright light, and then there are several colors. At any time, if you want to turn it off directly, just press and hold, and it turns off. These are the nightlight colors